Next topic that I am going to explain, that is the chemicals from common salt. We know that common salt means NaCl, means sodium chloride, and this sodium chloride is being used in our day-to-day life as for eating and for various purposes, and how they can be a raw material for the manufacture of different types of chemical substances. We will study in this topic. As I told you that common salt is the raw material and it is used widely for the manufacture of different types of chemicals. So we are learning the first type of chemical which is being formed by using the NaCl. NaCl is what? Sodium chloride, and it is a raw material for the manufacture of different types of chemicals. Okay. So here the first type of chemical, that is sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. How it is being manufactured? As you can see here, in a chemical reaction, NaCl is what? Sodium chloride. That means it is a raw material which is being used for the manufacture of NaOH, that is the sodium hydroxide. Okay. When the electrolysis of NaCl, that is sodium chloride, is been done, then what happened? It forms NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, and along with that it forms chlorine gas and H2. Okay, chlorine gas and H2. So what was the raw material? We use NaCl as a raw material and we obtain the product or chemical, that is NaOH, like sodium hydroxide, or chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. Understood? Okay. Then next, and this is the schematic diagram which shows that how the electrolysis of NaCl is being done. Okay, as you all know that in this setup there are two what? Rods. One is anode and one is cathode, and the negatively charged rod we will consider as the cathode and positively charged we will consider as an anode. Okay. Then here, by the electrolysis of NaCl, we obtain what? We obtain chlorine gas, we obtain hydrogen gas, and we obtain mainly NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. And afterwards, we obtain already Cl2 as a byproduct by the electrolysis of NaCl and during the process of formation of the sodium hydroxide. Okay, so Cl2, that means chlorine, can be used for the manufacture of any other chemical. Let us study that. Bleaching powder. You all know that in our house we are using bleaching powder to kill the germs because it has the bleaching property. Understood? So we have taken what here? Calcium hydroxide. When chlorine gas is passed in, or it has been allowed to pass in the calcium hydroxide, we obtain what? CaOCl twice, that is calcium oxychloride. This is called as the bleaching powder, and this bleaching powder is being used to kill the germs. Okay, that means like disinfectants. Next is the application or the uses of bleaching powder in our house. It has been given. Please do read it. The next topic is baking soda. You know that we are using what? NaCl as a raw material and we are manufacturing what? Baking soda. So what do? NaCl we will take, then H2O, CO2, then NH3. These are what? These are the solutions which we take together, and then afterwards when the reaction will take place we will obtain what? Ammonium chloride, then sodium hydrogen carbonate. Ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate, and we know that the byproduct which we obtain, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Understood? Okay. Next is when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, we obtain Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, and H2O, then CO2. Understood? Then here the uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is NaSCO3, which we obtain when the NaCl is been allowed to pass through the solution of CO2, H2O, then NH3. Okay, how they are reacting, when they are reacting with different types of things, what does they form, it is been shown here. For example, NaHCO3, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, when it is been dissociated, what does it form? It is forming CO2 plus H2O, then sodium salts of acid. Okay, then here it is the different types of properties of the products which are been formed, how they are been used, it has been shown. For example, carbon dioxide which has been produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them to soften. Okay, so carbon dioxide, which is the byproduct, it has been used in different purposes. It has been shown here, like for making the bread and to make it soft and spongy. Then next comes washing soda, and here the formula for washing soda, it is Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. Okay, when the sodium carbonate is allowed to react with 10 molecules of water, it forms what? Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10 molecules of water. Then only we say it is what? Washing soda. And you all know that soda is washing soda. Washing soda means it has been used for making different types of soaps. Understood? Then afterwards, next topic, that is the uses of washing soda. You all know that washing soda, they are been used for different purposes like making glass, soaps, paper industries, in manufacture of sodium carbonates like borax and other uses. Please do read it. Then the last topic, that is plaster of Paris. Okay, plaster of Paris. So it has been formed when gypsum has been heated at 373 Kelvin. So what happened? It loses water molecules and it becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Understood? Like CaSO4. Hemi means half molecule of H2O. Okay. So and this is called as what? Plaster of Paris. So we should know that plaster of Paris is been formed from the gypsum. Okay. And when it is gypsum is been heated at control 373 Kelvin temperature, it releases the amount of water or water molecules and it forms what? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate, and this is what? Plaster of Paris. And you all know that plaster, how much plaster has been useful in our day-to-day life. For example, if we get the fracture in our bones, for setting what? Bones, or to fix the bones, doctors are using this plaster of Paris. Understood? Here the reaction between the plaster of Paris, when it is been again reacting with the half molecule, 1.5 molecule of water, again it forms what? Gypsum. That means they can be interchangeable. Okay, means it depends upon the loss in the molecules of the water. Okay. So your homework will be, please do read all the topics which I have explained today, and if you have any doubt, please you ask in your WhatsApp group of class 10. Okay, then I will tell you if you have any problem. Thank you, students.